Want to install laminate flooring yourself? The good news is, it's easier than you might think. With the right preparation and a few simple steps, you can achieve a professional-looking finish without hiring an expert. Start by measuring your room and buy about 10% extra flooring to cover cutting waste. Then, let the laminate boards sit in the room for at least 48 hours so they can adjust to the temperature and humidity. Next, prepare your subfloor. Make sure it's clean, dry, and completely level. A solid foundation helps prevent future problems like squeaks or uneven flooring. Now roll out the underlay. It reduces noise, adds comfort, and protects your new floor from moisture. Begin laying the first row using spacers to leave an expansion gap along the walls. Then continue installing the remaining rows, staggering the joints to create a stronger and more natural-looking floor. When you reach walls, pipes, or door frames, carefully measure and cut each plank to fit. Remember, measure twice, cut once. Once the final row is installed, use a pull bar to lock the last boards into place. Finally, install the skirting boards and threshold strips to cover the expansion gaps and give your floor a clean, finished look. And that's it. Follow these simple steps, take your time, and you'll have a beautiful laminate floor that looks professional and lasts for years. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow for more easy DIY home improvement tips.